Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a Neverending Story book cake. I've always really loved reading the book and watching the movie, Neverending Story, so this is kind of the book from the movie, which is almost better than the book. I have read the book. Ironically, the book is from a German author. It was originally written in German. So, Michael Ende, which is a play then on his name, Ende, the never-ending story. So, let's get started.
I frosted a sheet cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. Then I rolled out a long strip of white fondant and cut it as close to the width of the cake as possible. I scratched some texture into it and wrapped it around 3 sides of the cake. I had to correct one side that was a bit short. Then I rolled out some chocolate fondant and tried to cut it as close to the right size for the book cover as possible. I smoothed on the book cover as well as I could and tucked in the edge under the book. Then I rolled out a strip of brown about the same size and shape as the bottom edge of the book cover. I pressed it up against the side of the book and trimmed off the excess. Then I used a fondant press mold to press out the letters to spell out the Neverending Story with ivory fondant. I placed the words on the book near the bottom as close to centered as possible. Then I used a swag press mold and made 2 of them and placed them near the top of the book cover. Finally, I made an aron. This is a bit complicated. It's a figure of 2 quite long snakes connected together, twisted into a complex pretzel kind of figure. The one I made was quite large, but if I made it any smaller, it wouldn't keep its shape. I placed it into the middle of the cake. Then I painted all the decorations on the book with gold edible paint. I love this cake. I think it's very reminiscent of the leather-bound book from the movie. The Neverending Story. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.